What's the meaning of canoodle? Canoodle. Canoodle.
Canoodle. Canoodle. Canoodle means to behave in an affectionate and amorous manner towards someone. This can include hugging, kissing, cuddling, or engaging in other physical acts of intimacy. It is generally used to describe a romantic or sexual relationship between two people who are deeply in love or attracted to each other. Canoodling is often seen as a way to express feelings of tenderness, fondness, and desire towards one's partner. However, it should be noted that such behavior is typically reserved for private or intimate settings, as public displays of affection can sometimes be seen as inappropriate or uncomfortable for others.